go.
Cross my heart and hope they all make it safely to the other side. Oh no, that's a bully right there. They might all fall down.
Hurry up, hurry up.
No, the faster, the more dangerous. Hey, stop.
Help me!
Hey. Hey. Hey, stop. Stop.
Oh no!
Looks like another mission for our rescue team. Let's get those cars out of there and fix the bridge.
Oh no. Let me help you.
The crane truck is back at it again. Those cars will surely be brought to safety.
Hey, put me down.
We are taking this bully to the police. Bye-bye now.